Hi guys, today I have HONOR X7b and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Our first step to do this is from main menu. We must go to the settings application or something what have more information than you have on the one side of screen where you can scroll something, because only in it we can take long screenshot. To do it, we press volume down and power key together in the same time as to make normal screenshot. After that, we click scroll shot and it is scrolling right now. We must tap to stop, and after that we have our long screenshot which have more information than normal one. To save it in our gallery, we press this saved icon, and that's all. We have it in our gallery right now. See you soon, bye!